Neon is so much little learner in my EngStar house. So I love him so much always. He also loves me so much. Neon, are you ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neon, I will discuss with you some verb. I will say present verb and you will change it past.
Okay.
Okay? So, write.
Write.
Write in past form. Write.
Wrote.
Okay, do.
Did.
Listen.
Listened.
Catch.
Got.
Seriously?
Serious.
Buy.
Bought.
Okay. See.
Saw.
Eat.
Repeat.
Eat.
Ate.
Ate.
Hey.
Oh, that's great. You are so handsome. So, draw.
Drew.
How many kinds of things?
There are 3 kinds of tense.
How many kinds of sentence?
There are 5 kinds of sentence.
Do you know the name of them?
Assertive,
Then?
interrogative,
Hmm?
imperative, optative, exclamatory.
Oh, that's great. Do you know how many kinds of parts of speech? Would you please?
There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Thank you so much. Do you know how many kinds of auxiliary verb?
There are 4 kinds of auxiliary verb.
Okay. Do you know the name of them?
To be verb, to have verb, to do verb, model verb.
Oh, I'm surprised to get your information. He's the student of class 2, but he knows many things. Whenever he get any kinds of information, he stores it in his conscious mind. Is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Thank you so much.